Welcome to Mark's Motorsports and Farming Channel. I'm at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky at the Case IH display, and I'll show you around here. There's a 340 Magnum tractor. There's a Case IH 2150 planter. Yeah, that is a 2150. And there's a couple of tractor seat displays. There's our Farmall Series tractors, or A Series. There is a high-speed disc hooked onto a 500 row crop quad track. And there's more tractors. Yeah, these are the three, Farmall A Series, 105A, 115A, and 95A. There's the 115. And there's the 95 with the 575 loader on it. Another Farmall Series, 140A. Yeah, there's the Series. There's a 120C Farmall. And there's the specs of the Series. Or a couple different things about them. And here's a new Vestrom Series tractor. This is a 130, and then they also have a 100 that's part of the series. They have the 130 on display though. So 145 horsepower. I believe that's a Maxim series. Not sure though. There's a RB465 round baler. Another tractor. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos. I certainly appreciate it. Now look at the 115A. Yeah, be sure to hit the like button, and be sure to click the subscribe button as well, if you haven't already. Now look at the Magnum. And the planter. And be sure to follow Mark's Motorsports and Farming Channel on Facebook as well. And as I bring in this last amount of footage, thank you guys again for watching, and catch you guys later.